Hi guys, this traditional Dutch potato soup recipe appetizer is so delicious and healthy. Guys, let me show you how you can prepare traditional Dutch potato soup recipe. Here I will be using soup things. If you go to supermarket, you can get this particular soup thing in the supermarket. So first of all, I will be using carrot. I will peel my carrot and set aside. I will go ahead to peel the other ingredients. I will write the name here. I can't remember it now as I'm giving this voice over. I will peel all the soup things in this particular video, and to show you, I will also post the ingredients. I will show you the picture in case if you want to try this recipe so that you can get it. Okay, this is just in the bunch in the supermarket. You can get it in any supermarket in Germany. Okay, and do you know why I love this particular soup? It's so heady because everything in the soup is herbs. You know, herbs is very nice. Mostly can use this soup as appetizer. You can as well drink it or take it when during the winter. You know, during the winter is so cold and your body is cold. You need something to warm yourself up. And you can as well eat it as appetizer. You know what is appetizer? Dutch call it voorspijze. Voorspijze is what you can use to eat to get yourself your stomach open before you can eat the main food. Okay, so I will go ahead to prepare it and I will show you how I'm going to prepare it. Sometimes I prepare this Dutch food for my children because they love it, they eat it in the school, and I made a small research and see that yeah, this soup is so healthy and it is also good for everyone, not only the Dutch. So if you are in you're an foreigner living in Deutschland, in Germany, you can as well try this particular traditional Dutch potato soup recipe. It's very nice. Okay, so I don't want to waste your time. Let's just go ahead. Let me show you how to prepare it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, share this video, and also give it a thumbs up so that YouTube can recommend it to many people. So as I finish cutting it, I will not forget to cut my potato. I'll be using 3 potatoes here. Depends on the quantity of the soup you want to prepare. I'm going to prepare a small pot soup, so I'll be using only 3 potatoes to make it. I will not make the soup to be thick. You know, this traditional Dutch soup has different types. There are some ones you can make thicker. There are some ones to make lighter. There are some ones that you cannot even add even potato to be too light. But this would be a medium light traditional potato soup. Okay, so after finish preparing my ingredients, now I'll go ahead to wash it very properly, and I've added my rosemary. I will add a soup spices. That is one of the stock you can get in the supermarket. It is the drew soup things in it. I added one, then I will add my salt. This will bring the taste of this soup. So I will go ahead to add my water. This water will be the quantity of the soup you want. I will add it and I cover it to cook. You will just cook for 10 to 15 minutes. Don't cook it too much to be just half done. Okay, now you can see that this soup is done. I will allow it to settle down before I can go ahead to puree it. You can start puree it, start blending. If you have a start blender in your at home, just start blend it. If you don't have, you can as well Allow it to cool very good down. You can add it in a blender and blend it. But I'll recommend you to get a star blender, okay, to blend it in the pot as it is. So keep watching and I will show you step by step how you can prepare this soup. Let me know what you think in the comment section. Would you like to prepare this kind of soup for your children, for yourself, for your visitors? I love Dutch food. I'll be cooking Dutch food here because I love it. As an African, I love my African food also very nice. But sometimes it's good that you can also try other people's food. So now after pureeing it, I'll go ahead to add my paprika powder, add my a little bit of cinnamon. You go ahead to add your soup things, anyone you have. This is what I have, and I will also add a black pepper, which is called pepper in Dutch. Okay, I will add small salt for taste. Then I will go ahead to stir it. Just keep watching and see it to the end. Thank you so much, and don't forget to share this video. God bless. You can add your sausages in the soup if you are not using it for spicy. And when you add sausages in the soup, that means you are going to use bread to eat it. Then it is another food altogether. Okay, but what I'm doing today is what we call appetizer for spicy in Dutch. So now as I've added these spices, I will stir it very properly and allow it to boil for a minute. Then I'll begin to dish it out and I will add the back absent that is here. Okay, yes. So let me know if you are not Dutch or you are living in Dutchland. Have you tried this appetizer before? I'll be trying to be cooking Dutch food on my channel here, so let me know. Recommend anyone you want me to cook. I will go ahead to get it done. Okay, thank you so much for watching. So let us dish it out. I just allow it to boil it for a second, then I will dish it out with my spoon. Look at it. Remember, this is herbs, and herbs is very healthy and it's very nice for our body and soul and body. Remember, this is appetizer, what you can eat before you can eat your food. You see, it is not too thick, it's not too watery. This is very nice. After eating this, then you go ahead to eat other of your food. Hope you are going to try it. Let me know if you're going to try it. Thank you so much for watching. Let me test it before. Let me test it and see how it's tasting. I love the taste, guys. I really love the taste. This is so nice. Good appetizer. So let me dish it out and add the back eggs. So guys, it is a time to share it. My kids are waiting for this already. Yes. So you see now, I just add, my daughter will be adding the back herbs. The herbs not one. Back herbs. My daughter will be adding. I add the back herbs and let them see. Add it here. So yeah, it's okay. Don't put too much. So look at it. This is 4 spices, guys. Nisofil. We're going to add so here. So guys, my children like this so much. Yes, they like it because they used to eat it in the school, and that's why I decided to make it for them today. And you can see they are there trying to get to eat before they will, their soup is going to go to them. Okay, so this is what I cooked today to show you that I can also cook Dutch food. Yeah, I know so what you think about this 4 spices, and that is so good and looks so yummy and lekker. Thank you so much for watching. You see, my kids are going to come now and dive this. And bye for now. See you next time in my next video. Bye.